protect and defend the Constitution and government
the Constitution and government
of the United States,
of the United States,
the Constitution and government
the Constitution and government
of the State of Nevada,
of the State of Nevada,
and the charter and ordinances
and the charter or ordinances
of the City of Reno,
of the City of Reno,
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
whether domestic or foreign,
whether domestic or foreign,
and that I will bear true faith,
and that I will bear true faith,
allegiance, and loyalty
allegiance, and loyalty
to the same,
to the same,
any ordinance,
any ordinance,
resolution, or law
resolution, or law
of any state notwithstanding,
of any state notwithstanding,
and that I am not
and that I am not
under any direct or indirect obligation
under any direct or indirect obligation
to vote for,
to vote for,
appoint,
appoint,
or elect any person, any office,
or elect any person in office,
position,
position,
or employment
or employment
in the City of Reno
in the City of Reno
government,
government,
and that I will well
and that I will well
and faithfully perform
and faithfully perform
all the duties of
all the duties of
the office of Reno Police Chief,
the office of Reno Police Chief,
on which I'm about to enter.
on which I'm about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.